Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Mark Rogers. I'm the owner of Frame Destination. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the appearance of a gallery wrap canvas such as this one with one of our floater frames such as this one. Gallery wrap canvas are canvases that are stretched on stretcher bars that are thicker than, say, an inch. Like this one you can see is 2 inches. However, you can use floater frames on standard canvases. This is an example of one 3/4 inch canvas in one of our other floater frames. They're called floater frames because there's a gap between the edge of the frame and the edge of the canvas. This gap around the canvas allows the appearance of the canvas to actually be floating inside of the frame. Ordering is easy. First you need to take the measurements of your canvas. In this case, the width is 16 inches, the height is 20 inches, and you also need a third dimension, which is the depth. In this case, it's 2 inches. Once you have the measurements, then you can just head over to our website, select a floater frame that you'd like, and order.
Ordering a floater frame from Frame Destination's website is very easy. Simply come to Custom Frames, select Floater Frames, and you'll see your choices here. And one of the things that you need to be concerned about is the height of the frame on the inside. So if you've got a large gallery wrap, such as 2 inches, this frame would be probably too small because it's going to exceed out of the top by 1/2 inch. This one, however, is a little bit more than 2 inches. So the edge of the canvas is going to be right below the top edge of the frame. So we'll select this one. And you can see there's multiple color choices. And in this case, we'll go ahead and select the gold. And then you simply just need to enter in your size. If it's a standard size like 16 by 20, then you can just select 16 by 20. And you'll note that it says that the frame size is going to be 17 by 21. And what that's referring to is the inside edge to inside edge of the frame. And it's 17 by 21 because the idea is that we leave a 1/2 inch gap all the way around the canvas so that the canvas appears to be floating inside. Now, if you prefer to have a smaller one, then you can go into custom sizes and you can tell a little lie about the size of your frame. And you can say that, for instance, that it's 15.5 by 19.5. So you basically say that your canvas is a 1/2 inch smaller. That results in the frame size being 16.5 by 20.5. That will end up leaving a 1/4 inch gap around the canvas instead of the 1/2 inch gap. In our case, we prefer to stay with the 16 by 20. For a 17 by 21 frame. And that's all there is to it.